Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. We're back with Tough Guy Quilt. Tough Guy Quilt is on its way. When we last left off, I was talking about how I was going to quilt it. I was going to quilt it in angles. I was going to stitch across my squares in an angle like this, going down, and then coming the other way, going down. So eventually you would see X's in every box. That's how we're going to quilt it. So what we got was a couple of great suggestions from some great subscribers, which I have. I have the best subscribers. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. So Barbara Noel and Angela Owens sent in suggestions on how to show you how I'm going to go about quilting in those X's. So there's a couple of ways you can do this, okay? One of the ways is one of these, a water-soluble um, marking pencil, okay? It writes on fabric and it just wipes off. You can wipe it off, or if you wash it later, it comes off. But it's really easy to use, and you're just going to use it just like you would in any other situation when you need to draw a line. Okay, so right here, let's go right here. So in this case, what I'm going to use is my ruler. All right, and then I'm just going to use my water soluble pencil and make a line. And that's what we have. All right, and then eventually I would come in the other direction from corner to corner. All right, but see on this, what I'm gonna do is try to like get multiple blocks at one time. Okay, so let's try to get 2 blocks here. All right, we're gonna go the other way. And you don't have to worry, okay, because with one of these, I mean, it comes out really easy. See that? It just came out, and I didn't even use water, okay? Now, another technique that you can use is good old-fashioned, you know what it is, right? Painter's tape, okay? Painter's tape. Now, it doesn't matter what kind you get. Don't go out and spend $900 on painter's tape. Just get some normal painter's tape, the thinnest width that you can get, and all you're gonna do, same thing, all right? Same technique. All right, so now, all right, so those of you who don't have your laser, you can use a ruler, all right? But I like to cheat, all right? Commandant Kelly in the Marine Corps, he used to say, train smarter, not harder. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that laser. You like that, huh? I know. No, you can't have my laser. Look at that. Steady beam. Now, what I'm gonna do with my painter's tape is I'm just gonna go along my laser, my edge of my laser, because I know that's a true line, right? Go along the edge of that laser there. All right, and I can just keep on going. See, with the painter's tape, I can just make it last and make it last and keep on going, okay? That's just how we do it, all right? That's how we do this kind of thing here. All right, I'm just gonna tear it off here. All right, and let's go the other way with the, ooh, look at that beam. Ooh, that's a nice beam right there. Daddy likes that beam. Look at that beam. There's no way a grown man should be so happy about quilting, huh? Man should be meaner. I should be meaner, huh? All right, here we go. Look at that. Woohoo! Laser on fabric. Come on. Who's got the big brain? I think I got the big brain. Look at that. Now I'm going right along the edge of my laser beam there. All right. Don't look directly into the laser. You'll be wearing a pirate's patch over your eye. Look at that thing. That's nice, huh? How efficient is that? Oops. It tore a little bit, but that's okay. I'll just continue it from there. All right. These are 2 ways that you can use to get your lines diagonally and I mean a great cross in the middle of your blocks, okay? Thanks to Angela Owens and Barbara Noel with the suggestions, okay? This is a technique that you can use to make sure that you're straight. All right, so do I have to say it? Yeah, I have to say it, okay. So you're gonna be stitching, you have to remember, you have to stitch along the edge of the tape that's, all right, you're not gonna stitch along this edge because that's gonna put you off, right? You're gonna stitch along this edge because you won't have the laser on there. You're gonna be going along this edge and you shall be true, okay? New quilters, pay attention, all right? I hope I laid it out in a way that you can understand it, okay? Because I remember when I first started quilting, people were talking up here, and I was like, I wasn't even on the map. They were like, you know, saying terms that I had no idea what they were talking about. They were talking about things I had no idea what they were talking about. And then eventually I started catching on. And I still don't know it all. You know, I still get questions from subscribers that I'm scratching my head on. I'm like, might want to refer to a book and then give you the answer. But, you know, it's a great craft. Don't give up. Hang in there, all right? New quilters, hang in there. Believe me, it gets better. It does. And then, you know, we'll move forward because you got to hurry up because you know it's coming, all right? Everybody's got their foot on my neck about this New York beauty, all right? So I'm doing my homework. But that's how we do, that's how we're going to quilt our boxes on Tough Guy. And we're going to do that. I'm going to show you how I go down these lines, and we're going to finish off quilting the New York, the New York beauty's on my mind too. We're going to finish off the Tough Guy, okay? Thank you for picking this video. Please subscribe. And remember, Ayof Ayat. What does that mean? It's only fabric and it's only thread.